Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys. In the second video today, let's take a look at the gold market as usual. So on the daily chart we don't have any big changes. Market still stands inside of the flag consolidation that we have talked about in the weekly report. So we still keep our medium-term bullish stop because by some reasons, those of you who are watching our weekly reports, you probably know this market was strongly oversold on the weekly chart and minor bounce to 30% on the weekly chart. This will be a reasonable response to that moment, and this 30% stands approximately around 1240 area. So from the weekly standpoint, it absolutely won't be able to change the overall technical driving factors, technical pictures, just minor technical response to the oversold condition. So in the shorter term, in the daily chart within the few sessions, we expect that market should hit a predefined target on the hourly chart. And there will be chance for taking scalp long position, but maybe particular from that point, gold market could reestablish upward direction because level that we will mention today is rather significant. It's strong confidence support, and theoretically it could become the background for starting of the upward action. Besides, the action that we see right now is a flag pattern, and flag potential is bullish, and market shows really stubborn retracement down. So it absolutely doesn't look fast. It's very gradual, a lot of pullbacks inside of it, so it seems that there's no desire to move lower. Some purchasing power exists here from the speculators that do not let market just drop further to the downside. So let's see. Anyway, if you'll take a look at the follow time frame chart, we have this ABCD pattern. We have talked about it actually in the weekly report as well. If you remember, our concern was about whether this will be butterfly or it will be downside ABCD, and for the butterfly, market should stand above these lows. But yes, the market this drop already has exceeded these lows and erased the opportunity for the butterfly. At the same time, here we see the drops really look significant. The market is entering in the confidence support turbulence area. So this mostly creates an agreement ABCD with this confidence supports 1190. That take a look. That's also lower border of the flag and very close to the weekly pivot support one. So in general, 1190, 1194, it's rather strong support cluster, and it really could happen that market reestablish upward action here. It's really possible. Yesterday we said that we need to keep an eye on the hand shoulders pattern. If you remember, this was left shoulder head, the market was standing there where we started our talkings, and we said keep an eye. If market will fail here and drop below this area reaching the head, it could mean the further downward continuation and dropping below the head. And indeed that has happened. So as market has failed to reverse up on this possible pattern, it just means that market is going down. And currently here we have the butterfly situation, very similar to the euro. On the euro, on the hourly chart, we also have the same butterfly. I would suggest that market should reach 1618 extension, guys. So this butterfly is 1190 and 91 approximately, because we see fast acceleration right to the 127 target. Usually when the butterfly forms acceleration to the first target, it means that after minor response here, chances on reaching the second target look significant. And in general, 1190 corresponds to the final target of the ABCD pattern. That's why I would suggest the reaching of the 1190 before any other action will happen. So if you're a scalp trader and you're searching chance to go long, that could become not bad opportunity to base your trade on this butterfly pattern. At least minor response here that lets you to move your stops to the break-even should follow, because market entering in the significant support cluster, and some technical response probably should happen. So at least minor bounce of this scale will let you to move your stop to the break-even, or if we will get lucky, it really could become the area where market could reestablish upward action. So that's our view on today's session. Let's see what we'll get.